Sa baba. Yes.
Banana other nail polish. Only this one.
Yes, that one only. That's for kids.
That's
Sabay the guy, umiinom na lang.
another country and then hungry.
Sige.
Mama, when I'm done with it,
Easy, busy.
Invite all of our guests and officers right here under the arch for our ribbon cutting ceremony. We'd like to invite the Mid-Autumn Festival begin! Let's give a big round of
Okay, it's already on.
Tyler, can you celebrate with me?
What will you celebrate? Mooncake Festival? Mid-Autumn Festival. Picture siya ma. At ang hulo. Okay, and also mooncake. Yapin.
sabi ko, saka na lang ako magparang.
Other leg. Other leg. The other knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go, Mina!
No, just go straight. Just go straight.
Go, 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 go.
Go, Mina! Very good! Okay, it's recording. What do you want to tell, Gaki?
Birthday, Gabby.
Where is it?
Everybody stop touching the butterfly.
Oh.
Show Ethan. Show that to Ethan.
I'm scared.
Let her be.
Mina, Nasha is talking to you. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Hehehe